Out there, in the dark, silent void of space, lie billions of rocky bodies, cold, lifeless, forgotten remnants from the birth of our solar system. But what if they're more than relics? As Earth teeters on the edge of climate collapse, rising populations, and limited resources, humanity is looking outward, colonizing Mars, building space stations, even launching interstellar probes. But what if the best solution was right under our noses, or more accurately, right beyond our orbit? In this video, we explore a radical idea: converting massive asteroids into fully functioning spacecraft, capable of housing generations of humans, traveling between worlds and protecting us from the deadly hazards of deep space. Not metal ships, but stone starships. Let's dig in. Why asteroids? To understand why asteroids are a serious candidate for future space habitats, we need to look at what they're made of and how they behave. Asteroids come in various types: metallic, rocky, and carbon-rich. Some contain nickel, iron, cobalt, even trace amounts of gold and platinum. Others hold ice and organic compounds, essential for creating breathable air and drinkable water. Many of these space rocks are hundreds of meters to several kilometers wide, large enough to be hollowed out and still structurally sound. Unlike the thin-walled structures of traditional spacecraft, asteroids offer volume, strength, and durability. And here's where things get really interesting. Their natural mass acts as shielding. Instead of struggling to protect astronauts with heavy lead panels or expensive radiation shielding, we simply use what's already there: the asteroid's body itself. In essence, they're already part spaceship, part bunker. We just haven't learned how to live inside them yet. How would we build it? The first step is robotic. Human missions would be too risky at first. Autonomous machines would land, scan the structure, and begin the massive process of excavating the asteroid's core. This isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has already interacted with asteroids up close. Mining bots could be the next step: drilling, melting, and carving out living space deep within. Inside, we'd build pressurized habitats. These would be modular and expandable. Think of it like constructing a futuristic subway system with tunnels and pods interconnected. To maintain gravity, we might rotate the entire asteroid slowly. Just enough centrifugal force to simulate Earth-like gravity, perhaps using magnetic rail systems or internal mass rotation to balance forces. For energy, the asteroid's surface could be coated with solar panels, or internal nuclear fusion reactors could power life support systems. Everything from oxygen recycling to hydroponic farms could be managed by AI systems. For propulsion, we could install ion thrusters, mass drivers, or even nuclear pulse engines, methods that, while still experimental, are very much on the table for near-future spaceflight. Radiation shielding, nature's armor. One of the biggest killers in deep space isn't lack of oxygen or food, it's radiation. Cosmic rays and solar flares can fry electronics, mutate DNA, and make long-term space travel virtually impossible with today's tech. The International Space Station, for example, orbits within Earth's magnetic field. Even then, astronauts are exposed to more radiation in 6 months than most people get in a lifetime. Mars has no magnetosphere. Its atmosphere is too thin to block radiation. Living on the surface would mean building underground shelters or using expensive, heavy shielding. Asteroids, however, provide an instant advantage. If you carve living quarters at least 10-20 meters beneath the surface, the rock acts like a natural bunker, blocking up to 95% of cosmic radiation. In essence, nature has already provided us with the best possible material for building deep space habitats. We just need to reshape it. A new type of civilization. You wake up inside a spinning asteroid. Outside, there's only darkness and stars, but inside, a thriving colony. Hydroponic gardens grow fresh food under artificial sunlight. Water systems circulate like rivers. There are classrooms, entertainment hubs, research labs, all protected by kilometers of ancient rock. These asteroid ships wouldn't just be transport vessels, they'd be entire civilizations in motion, each one a floating city carrying thousands of people to their next destination. And because of the immense distance between stars, these ships may need to support multi-generational life. Children would be born inside, They'd learn, grow, and eventually take over the ship's operations. We're not just talking about exploration, we're talking about permanent migration into the stars. The ancient alien connection. And here's where things get strange. Some scientists have noted unusual anomalies in certain asteroids, magnetic signatures, unexplained cavities, and unnatural shapes. Asteroids like 16 Psyche and Bennu have shown surprising anomalies, magnetic fields where none should exist, hollow interiors, and bizarre structural behavior. Researchers suggest we still don't fully understand what these objects are, or how they came to be. One theory? They might already be hollow. Could be coincidence, or something else entirely. Some ancient alien theorists suggest these objects could be derelict spacecraft, or repositories of alien tech, long since abandoned. If that were true, then our idea of converting an asteroid into a ship might not be new, just rediscovered. After all, the stars have been around for billions of years. Are we really the first to think of this? As humanity looks to escape the bounds of Earth, we must rethink what a spaceship really is. It doesn't have to be made in a factory. It doesn't need smooth panels or shiny exteriors. Sometimes, survival means adapting to what's already out there. The universe may be cold and empty, but inside a drifting asteroid, life could flourish. Asteroids may have once symbolized extinction, but one day, they could carry the seeds of our rebirth. If we're bold enough to carve homes from stone, then maybe, just maybe, our future lies in the stars. If this video got your mind racing with possibilities, there's plenty more where that came from. We explore the hidden, the ancient, the unexplained, and the future that's already unfolding. So, if you're into space, ancient tech, bold theories, and big cosmic questions, hit that like button, subscribe to join the journey, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And hey, when you're done here, head over to the Annunaki Knowledge Hub channel page. There's a universe of videos waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the truth isn't out there, it's buried in the rocks we've ignored all along.